stop scrolling. If you work in an office, this video might scare you, because AI is already replacing people, and most don't see it coming. This is not about the future. This is happening right now, inside real companies. And the scary part, it's happening silently. The first job disappearing is data entry. AI can now read documents, fill spreadsheets, and analyze numbers in seconds. No breaks, no salary, no mistakes. That's why companies are switching fast. Next, customer support. AI can now talk like humans, solve problems, and work 24 hours a day. Many customers don't even realize they're talking to a machine. Scheduling, emails, reminders. These jobs used to need people. Now, AI does it instantly, and it never gets tired. But here's the truth no one tells you. AI is not here to destroy humans. It's here to replace repetitive work. The people who survive are the ones who learn to use AI. The ones who ignore it will struggle. AI is not your enemy, but ignorance is. Follow Smart Tools America to stay ahead of the future.